If you want to cast the screen from your OPPO Reno 15 into your PC, what you can do is you can go to settings in your phone. There we go. Now over here we can open device connect and then we can tap on a PC. Now we can go ahead and use the O+ Connect on your computer in order to connect your OPPO Reno 15 to your computer, and then you will have the option to cast the screen. So in order to get the O+ Connect, you want to go to connect.oppo.com and you can download the app for Windows and for MacOS. And then once you get the app, once you install it and once you open it, you can, for example, sign into the same OPPO account that you use on your phone, which is actually recommended because this allows you to easily connect both devices together. But if you don't use an account, and if you don't want to use an account, you can also connect manually. Over here, if you click on connect manually, you can get this QR code and you can, for example, scan it on your phone. So in here, we're gonna tap on this QR code scanner, and now we want to scan that QR code that is generated on our computer. Once we connect both devices, as you can see, this is how it looks like. We have our phone in here, and we have the screencast option, so we can click on this and we can just start casting pretty much immediately. Now let me actually drag the window over here. As you can see, we need to allow screencasting on our phone. So in here, we're just gonna select the entire screen, tap on the cast, and that is pretty much it. Now, as you can see, we have the window from our phone. I can actually click over here in order to control my phone quite easily. Let's go to the home screen. There we go. And this is how it looks like. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.